top. Okay, let's see. A deuteron H12, right? We have here M deuteron equal to 2, right? And then which the second particle is proton. We have proton H11. M of proton is 1, right? So tell me what formula we're going to use from there. V by R, same, right? V by R equal to how much? Using V by R equal to QB by M. And then what do we have here? R. Since the question is telling that a deuteron of kinetic energy, we have here deuteron of kinetic energy. Let's see. Energy of deuteron is 50 keV. Is describing a circular orbit of radius how much? R 0.5, right? 0.5 meter in a plane perpendicular to the magnetic field B. We have magnetic field B. The kinetic energy of a proton E proton, we have to find out this one. Describing a circular orbit of radius how much? Right? Same radius, right? RP equal how much? 0.5 meter, which is equal to radius for deuteron, right? In the same plane, with the same field, we have field B, right? Next, charge here is how much? Charge here is how much? Charge is defined by the atomic number. How many electrons? 1 electron, right? And here we have how much? This is for deuteron. This is for proton. We have how much? Charge is defined by the atomic number, which is the number of electron. We have here 1 electron, which is equal to QD, right? So all those parameters which are equal, we just put Q. Like for example, we have Q equal charge, we just put QQ instead of QD and QP. And for R also we have same, right? We just put R instead of RP, RD. Okay? So what do we have here? We need to find E, energy, right? So energy we have to derive from this equation. What shall we do here? We have here R equal how much? mv by QB, right? So using this formula, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. We have how much? mv equal how much? 2 me, right? Root over, right? We have derived this earlier, right? Okay. So we have here how much? 2 me by QB. That is fine, right? Okay. So now RD equals to RP, right? And then what do we have here? M mass, same or different? We have here mass of deuterium, right? Is how much? 2. Mass of proton, how much? 1. So we have here mass for, let's put here deuterium, it's different. V, okay, we just put there directly, right? That one. E. E for deuterium, root over, right? Since E is also different. So we have here Q Q deuterium, right? And then Q deuterium, can we just put Q? Same, yeah, same, right? So we just put Q, and then here we have B, same, right? So we have here 2, and then NP, and then EP root over by QB, right? QQ, since they have equal charge. So cancelling denominator and then squaring both sides, right? What do we have here? We have MD, ED. Okay, let us just put directly here since they ask EP, right? So we put here EP equals how much? MD ED by 2 MP, right? So here MD is how much? 2, right? MD is 2. MD is 2, right? Mass for deuterium 2, right? Okay.
So for the MD, it should be 2.
Yeah, MD is mass
No,
for
that one.
this one.
No, so there should be 2.
This one.
It is inside the root of MD into. There should be 2.
Okay, let me see. Okay. See, yeah, this is EP, right? Okay. And then we have, suppose we already squaring both sides, right? So we have here EP, okay? Right? And then we have here MD into ED, right? This one.
It should be 2 MD ED.
Why 2M? Why?
Because R is equal to 2 MD.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yes. This one, right? Okay, good. That's a good point. Okay. So now here we have how much? EP. Okay, this one, let us cancel these two, right? So we just have here EP equal how much? MD ED by. Is that fine? Right? Okay. So what do we have here? Two. Okay, and then
ED 50.
ED how much?
50.
Why?
2.
Okay. We have here ED is what is that? 50, right? 50. keV. Okay, remember that. keV. Kilo electron volt. And then we have here MP how much? 1, right?
And
See, very fast in telling the answer, right?